Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create product packaging using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design a clean and stylish packaging layout with simple steps. Let's dive in. Open Canva and create a new design. Choose custom size. Switch the unit to centimeters and enter 30 centimeter width and about 20 centimeter height. Click Create New Design. Go to Elements, search for the square shape, and add it to your design. This will represent one side of your package. Select the shape, click the three dots, then go to Position, then Arrange. Set the width to 5 centimeters and the height to 10 centimeters. Duplicate this shape to create other sides of the packaging. Adjust the sizes of the duplicates, one with 3 centimeter width. Change the color of another one to help distinguish the parts. Arrange the shapes side by side to match the layout of your physical box. Duplicate this. Choose another shape and set it with the same width. Use Canva's ruler lines to help align everything precisely. Press Shift plus R to show the rulers. Position it to cover about 1 centimeter of the top edge of the previous shape. Duplicate and reposition as needed to form the rest of the box. I'm going to make it a bit shorter. Let's delete this and duplicate again. Add another rectangle and set it to about 1 centimeter width and 10 centimeter height. Position it along the side of your layout. This will serve as the glue tab. Use white shapes, such as rotated triangles or squares, to visually round the corners. Align them over the edges neatly. Go to Position and open the Layers panel to move these corner shapes behind the main design for a cleaner layout. Duplicate to form the other edge. Rotate it and send it back. Now click on a shape and go to the Colors panel. Scroll down to find gradients and choose one. Customize the gradient colors to match your color palette. I'm going to choose this one. You can alternate styles for variety, for example, an orange gradient on one side, a reversed gradient on the other, or use a non-gradient color. It's totally up to you. Now I'm going to add some patterns from Elements. Add your own to match your product or your brand. I'll add this. Change the other part's colors. I'm going to find a logo from Elements. Use your own, of course. Adjust the transparency and the size. Place your logo here too. I'm going to add more elements to my logo. Now click text and add your product information, like composition, how to use it, or whatever you want to include. Place it here. Duplicate it and place it here too. Add another text for the product description. Adjust the font size, spacing, and placement. Duplicate it and flip it to add to the other packaging side. Add all the text you need to add to your packaging depending on your product. Go to Elements and search for usual product graphics. Choose icons that suit your product. Add another one here. And one more here. Now I'm going to add more patterns to the packaging. Lower the transparency to keep it from distracting from the main content. Flip this. Drag it here. Decrease the transparency. Duplicate it. Move it to the other side of the packaging. And that's it. Here's a quick recap of what we've done today. Set up a custom size canvas in Canva. Built a packaging layout using simple shapes. Used rulers and alignment tools for precision. Customized the look with gradients, colors, and patterns. Added logos, product info, and branding elements. Included decorative icons and visual details. Organized everything into a clean, presentable layout. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.